Good morning, friends. I welcome you again on my YouTube channel. It is wonderful morning, little foggy, but we can see clearly everything here. The deers are there, spotted deer ones, giving some alarms, but I think these alarms are the false alarms. Further up, we are seeing now the deers. They are fighting at this moment. They do fight for the females basically because this session is the mating session for them, and they are wanting to mate with different females, better females. We spend lot of time in the morning by taking photographs of the spotted deers, sambar deers and birds and other things also. All of a sudden 8:30 onwards, when we were really moving towards Sultanpur Chowki, on the road we saw the male tiger. I was thinking it is T86, but it is 101 male tiger, and it is recently now coming on this road, and it is smelling. We found it by taking a smell of females, and it gives the Flamen's response also.
Taking the smell from female.
Again, it is doing this Flamen's response.
सिंगल कार साइटिंग बढ़िया.
Maybe it may sit onto the ground, but no, it did not sit here. It is moving, so we have to follow it by keeping distance. To take the smell of the females, it got a little excited. Now it is roaring to call the female, and it is following in this route. Basically, this male do not come in this side. This is the territory of T86. But nowadays, he is coming, means he is following the female, and in this place, two different females also do come. One is Arrowhead and second one is known as Sultana. Nowadays Sultana is having young ones, two young ones, and I think she will not come on mating, but the female Arrowhead, maybe she can mate because she recently separated her cubs. So which is the female at this moment, to whom he is smelling, to whom it is giving the Flamen's response? I cannot say properly, but it is following by making roars.
Asking the female, where are you, sweetheart? Sultana की तलाश में. Yes. Wow. ऐसे रिकॉर्ड कर. मेरा काम हो गया. कोई नहीं है, सब निकल गए मैडम. आ गया ना सर मजा. फिर ना कहना खबर ना की, मासूम दिलों की कदर ना की. लीजिए, कदर भी हो गई और खबर भी हो गई। और सर सबसे बड़ी बात मैं बता रहा हूँ वो ये है कि ये टाइगर इतनी साइटिंग देता नहीं है। रुक दे रुक दे रुक दे। लंगूर all the way giving the warnings.
आगे निकलना अलाउड नहीं है ना सर?
ये लीजिए टेरिटरी मार्किंग। सारे जोन पे इसीलिए कब्जा किया है ना। लो सर, अब हेड ऑन है बिल्कुल। आ गया वापस, आजा। वाह, क्या बात है।
कॉल जा रहा है।
आगे कॉल आ रहा है।
किसी करेगा?
It is doing the territory marking on various different places because this area is new area for him and he want to make sure that no other tiger will come on this side. It is following by making roads also. Mostly whenever they are doing the territory markings, they are selecting little thicker trees but sometimes they are doing territory markings on the grasses and thin trees too. He is going in inner part of the jungle in the grasses, and now at this time he is doing some scent markings, because if the female will come and smell it, it will give another flamenco response. When we came on Sultanpur checkpost, we found the Indian tree pipe birds who came to our gypsy. I think they are asking something, that whether did you bring something for us to eat.